Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a one-pot barbecue chili mac. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of diced tomatoes. I've mixed mine together. I used regular diced tomatoes, also the fire roasted with garlic. You can use the diced tomatoes of your choice. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 cups of triple cheddar shredded cheese. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 large garlic cloves minced. 2 cups of light red kidney beans. You want to drain them and rinse them off. 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, or you can use the seasoning of your choice. 2½ cups of dry elbow macaroni. 2 small chicken breasts cut into small pieces. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, and you can use the barbecue sauce of your choice. 1/2 of a red bell pepper diced, and 1/2 of a small onion diced. In a skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. I'm going to add in my onion and my red peppers. I'm going to let that saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you want to add in your chicken breast. And mix that in. And we're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. We're also going to add our seasoned salt to it. You want to mix it until it's well combined. Let that cook for 5 minutes until the outside of the chicken has turned white. After 5 minutes, we're going to add in our minced garlic and also our chili powder. We're going to mix that until it's well combined, and you're going to let that cook for 1 minute. We're going to add in our chicken broth and also our kidney beans. You can go ahead and mix that together. Add in your barbecue sauce. Now you can add in your diced tomatoes. Once you mix that up, you can go ahead and add in your black pepper. And now we can add in our elbow macaroni. Just want to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, I had to transfer everything into a larger pot. I put it into a Dutch oven. So now you want to bring everything up to a simmer. You can raise your heat up some. Guys, when you're making this, make sure you have a big enough pot for it. Okay guys, you can go ahead and give it a taste, and if you need to adjust any of the seasonings to your liking, you can do it now. Now that it's come to a simmer, you want to lower your heat to low. We're going to cover it, and we're going to let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. You want to stir in between so nothing sticks to the bottom of your pot. Okay guys, so after 12 minutes, our barbecue chili mac is done. Your elbow macaroni should be al dente. So now we're just going to add in about 1 cup of our shredded cheese, and we're going to reserve some for the top. I want to do 1.5 cups. You want to go ahead and mix it in until it's all melted. Okay guys, so here we have it, our 1 pot barbecue chicken chili mac. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?